Uniform Civil Code (UCC) meaning. Uniform Civil Code is a legal framework aimed at replacing personal laws based on religions, customs and traditions, with one common uniform law enforced for everyone, regardless of the religion, caste, creed, sexual orientation and gender. Draft of Uttarakhand UCC, Uttarakhand government appointed a panel, which was led by former SC Judge Ranjana Prakash Desai, to draft recommendations for UCC. The Uttarakhand UCC borrows mostly from the Indian Succession Act 1925, retaining a majority of the provisions. Changes proposed by Uttarakhand UCC 2024. UCC proposes a standardized age of marriage for women, 18 years, across all faiths, Section 4 of UCC Bill. UCC proposes a complete ban on polygamy and child marriage, Section 4 of the UCC Bill. Compulsory registration of marriage, Section 6 and 7 of the UCC Bill. UCC also proposed the compulsory registration of live-in relationships, Section 378 of UCC Bill. Proposed UCC for Uttarakhand grants adoption rights to each, regardless of the religion, faith. UCC seeks to ban practices such as halala and idat, Islamic practices a woman must go through after a divorce or the death of the husband. Section 30 of UCC Bill. If passed, Uttarakhand will be the first state in India, post-independence, to adopt the UCC. It will be following the precedents of Goa, where UCC has been enforced since the era of Portuguese rule. Key provisions of UCC Bill 2024. 1. Provisions of the UCC Bill are not applicable on the tribal communities. Although the idea of the UCC is to bring uniformity in personal laws for all the communities in India. However, this bill's provisions will not apply to tribal communities. Due to the unique customary practices of tribal communities, the concept of the UCC has been criticized. 2. Regulation of live-in relationships. The bill makes it compulsory provision for partners in live-in relationships within state, whether they are resident of Uttarakhand or not, to submit a statement to the registrar. Couples in a live-in relationship for more than a month without submitting the statement can be punished with 3 months imprisonment or a fine up to Rs 10,000 or both. 3. UCC Bill prohibits bigamy or polygamy. Under Section 4 of the UCC Bill, conditions are listed for marriage. A marriage can be solemnized only if those conditions are fulfilled. One of the mentioned conditions is neither party has a spouse living at the time of the marriage. Thus, bigamy or polygamy is strictly prohibited by the 2024 bill.